71 matches for him, 3,148 runs, centuries as well, 10 centuries in one-day internationals, coming to the limelight with that fascinating 100 against. Gets the edge and taken. Nabi takes the catch. First wicket for Afghanistan to celebrate in the first over. Drives it. That's a brilliant stop from captain. Going to keep the pressure on the opposition. Was talking about.
Again, it wasn't that shot.
Hughes appeal. And it's given him out.
Outside off, impact in line, wickets hit.
Been able to remove the danger man in Babar Azam.
Gets it fine. Runs here for Pakistan. Smashed into the gap. First boundary for Pakistan. Tucks the ball behind the square.
And he uses his brains as well, the left-arm fast bowler.
Played in the air, but into the gap. And this will go away to the boundary for 4.
Yeah, that's his strength.
Driven into the gap. Another boundary for Mohammad Rizwan. Pakistan fighting back. Nudging and pushing. That's been the word. That was straight.
Hello, David. 28.
Still a bit there as well. That was angled in and swung just a little bit, but it's beautifully dealt with. Played late, whipped away through mid-wicket.
Front foot. And not managing Mujib well. This is an extraordinary drive, really. Rizwan is in top gear here.
That's also found the gap. There's a chase in the heat. Good running, good fielding too, but the running wins.
Oh, that's close. That is close.
For
Here.
LBW, on-field decision is out. The ball passes close to the bat line, impact in line, wickets, umpire.
Has to go for 21 with out, and that is the key. Agha Salman. Flicks away, but straight to the man. Well bowled, very nicely bowled. Yeah, the thing.
They are in high demand all over the world, and so that must relax them.
That's a good shot and a good stop. Good diving stop just behind square on the offside.
Ship rolling, do the basics well, as they say. Fish the ball.
Then that's what's known as keeping the scoreboard ticking. 54 for 3. Very, very experienced spin. Mohammad Nabi.
He became a terrific ODI bowler, by the way, John Emery. Remember, it's nothing of that kind. It's just come in, hit that good length area and target the stumps, and so far so good.
Extremely disciplined. Thank you very much, HDH.
Come on, Rash. Come on, Rash. Lovely, lovely, Rash.
Fair enough.
Come on, boys. Come on, boys.
You're absolutely right, HDH.
Lovely, Rash.
Talk about the spinner 10 batters. To go through Rashid Khan straight away. Not going to go upstairs. So there's plenty of at the top of the order. A young player averaging over. This has gone fine and will run away for 4. An ODI series. This is nicely placed. It'll be 4. Partnership continues to build now.
Oh, well done, boy. Well done, boys. Come on. 1-1-1. Hey.
Inside the 30-yard circle. Oh, there it is. There it is, the opportunity. Just the half chance. No. Down. Rush through these overs, don't they? It's been an eventful over that comes to an end. Pakistan are 9.
Ball first. Shot by Abdul Rahman. You mentioned about someone who can close to 145.
Spraying on the leg stump.
Please go.
Lanka, which is in different cities.
Pitches.
Width given and smashed away. Picks up an easy boundary. Pushed away, wants to run to quicken up. Again, tucked away. The line has been a problem. Went almost from the stumps. A long.
Conditions is quite different. Will slower down as the game goes by, and the second half off.
Spin being their middle strength for Afghanistan. Take a run. This has been good over.
That's much better. That's what I like to see. Hit the deck hard in the front foot. That wasn't that. They rely heavy on pace. Shaheen Shah, Freddie Nasim Shah, Haris Rauf, all these players. Well, it's all about picking the right squad and picking the right combinations according to the opponent deep down south. In Colombo, Candy. It's now they're flocking in. The economy is back.
Got the fielder on the boundary.
This is the easy catch at short mid-wicket. Hasmutullah Shahidi. We spoke about how hard these two batsmen have played, but in the end, it's a soft dismissal. Mohammad Nabi.
Trouble for Pakistan already. Getting the inner part of the bat again. And to rush the bat.
I like this attack. Pace from one end. Imamul Haq is
reaching for the ball, and it's going to go away to the boundary for 4. Using the pace, widest delivery, taken full care of.
Chips down the ground, straight down the ground, and chip well. That's in the air, and finally one is taken. Guided away and fine, so that will race down there for 4 to third. Overbolt. As simple as that. Just as simple as that. Mujib comes back on.
Oh, yes. Quicker through the air. He demolishes the stumps. Rashid Khan is absolutely loving it in Pakistan. Last over. That's gone Pakistan batting performance because they've finished the over. That's gone fine, and 4. Still fighting it out. Nasim Shah. Yeah, we have spoken about
That nothing strange has happened. Well, much. Whoa, just watch.
Satisfied, I'm going back to the on-field umpire.
Side in trouble with the bat. You then need your bowlers to get you out of that trouble, and Shaheen Shah Afridi, who will open the bowling. Well, first ball of the reply. You won't know this, Amir, but
came very close. Nasim Shah to pick up a wicket here.
oh, that's up. That's going to be the simplest of chances. The short ball cramped him for. Oh, that's how not to do it. The full toss, the low full toss, finds the bat, and the bat finds mid-wicket. So it's 2 in 2. Oh, what an effort that is. Shadab at square leg. He's found a way through. Runs for Afghanistan, runs for Ikram. And 4 of them as well.
Bouncer, unexpected line. Great start. Is there a nick? They started to celebrate. The finger is up. Ikram Ali Khil is dismissed.
18 for 4. Ikram gone for 4.
Strikes in.
decision. I'll let you know whenever you're on screen. Yeah.
Choose the call.
Pomegranate. That's into the game. Strong appeal and given by the umpire with into the gap and 4 runs. That's nicely timed.
Total of only 202 runs, but another very soft dismissal. Haris Rauf's been on fire. He gets the wicket off Muhammad Nabi.
All over. Didn't take long for Haris Rauf to knock over the off stump of Rashid, steaming in. And again, that's what pace does.
Well, there we go. I told you.
Afghanistan are 54 for 7.
Here's an opportunity. Here's an opportunity. This should be the 8th wicket and is. Chance. This should end it. And that is that. 5 wickets for Haris Rauf, and Pakistan